Maybe you're just beginning out, or you're a fresh beginner and you're just wondering, how am I going to get a profitable book idea? Or maybe you even have an idea but you're not even sure whether it's profitable, relevant or not. So here are some 8 tips which you can use to research a profitable idea. First of all, you must start with a niche. Have an idea or the niche that you want. Pick any niche. For example, you can pick mental health, productivity, journaling, self-help. You can pick any niche. Then with that niche, you go to Amazon website. On the books, you browse that niche. And then after browsing, definitely there's something known as auto suggestion. Amazon will always give you. For example, if you go there and just search under books productivity, it will give you a list of what people are searching for. Productivity for women, productivity for students, and this is going to really tell you what people are looking for. So start with a niche and then search that niche. Then step number 2, or another way number 2, which is the same as what I've explained, is you use Amazon auto complete. But now here is where you just type how to cook, journals for, workbook for, notebook for, composition book for. So when you just type like that, Amazon is going to do autocomplete, and this is going to give you an idea of actually what people are searching for, what people want. Remember, in this case, you don't want to give what you want, you want to give what is in demand. Also check the best sellers in your category so that you can see these books which are best selling in this specific niche. Look for their titles, the covers, the formats, their page count, or what those authors have done. You can also check the BSR of a book, and if a book is under 100,000, it means that it's selling at least 1 copy in a day. So the lower the BSR, the higher the sales. Also analyze competition. You look at the top selling books and just get to know whether they are from the big publishers or one publisher. Is there a room for improvement? Are there fewer reviews? What can you improve on? Also, number 6, you can read reviews for insights, what readers and consumers are reviewing about specific books and niches. Also validate with keywords, whereby you ensure that people are actively searching for that topic, where you can use tools like Amazon autocomplete. And you can also estimate your profitability. Check the profitability of that book. About pricing and royalty, I had explained earlier. You can check out that. So these are just a few tips in which you can use to really ensure that that niche or that book is profitable.